This is Radharani. This is from Bhagavad Gita in 73 in London, in Radhastami lecture. On Radhastami, Prabhupada gave a class from Bhagavad Gita and talked about Radharani. If someone approaches Srimati Radharani and begs for her mercy, she will say, Krishna, oh Krishna, here is a devotee. He's better than me. That's what she'll say. This is Radharani. I may not be a devotee. I may be a most fallen rascal. But if I try to reach Krishna through Radharani, then my business will be successful. Therefore, we should worship Radharani first. Hare. This is our business. Instead of offering one flower to Krishna, you just put that flower in the hands of Radharani and you say, my mother, Radharani, oh Jagan Mata, if you kindly take this flower and offer it to Krishna,